Today, I'm going to walk you through Wholesale Lead Capture, the plugin that handles wholesale customer registration on my store. On the registration page, it creates automatically. Customers apply through this, and I can approve them manually or set it to auto approval. Let's go through the full setup. When you first install the plugin, it automatically creates 3 pages: a registration page, this login page, and a thank you page customers land on after applying. They're all ready to go out of the box. If you ever want to embed any of these forms elsewhere on your site, there are shortcodes you can drop in anywhere. In the registration form settings, I can control exactly what customers fill out when they apply. There are built-in fields already set up: name, email, phone, company, password, and I can toggle which ones are required. I can also add custom fields here, dropdowns, checkboxes, a terms, and conditions field. Whatever I need to qualify my wholesale applicants. The Leads page in WooCommerce Wholesale Lead Capture serves as the central hub for managing all wholesale registration submitted through the front-end form. It displays a structured table with each lead's name, email, assigned wholesale role, registration date, and status: pending, approved, rejected, or inactive, along with quick filters, live counts, and a search bar for easy navigation. Admins can filter leads by status and role, take individual actions like approve, reject, or edit, or use bulk actions to manage multiple leads at once. Editing a lead opens a side panel where details such as contact information, addresses, custom fields, status, and role can be updated. Additionally, key actions automatically trigger email notifications to keep both admins and applicants informed. Another method for managing applications is directly through the user's page. With manual approval, you can review each application individually, approving or rejecting as needed, with customers receiving email notifications either way. If you prefer to streamline the process, you can enable auto approval in the general settings, which instantly activates new customers and sends them an email. Under the Emails tab, you can configure who receives notifications for new applications. Your admin email is pre-filled, and you have the option to add CC or BCC recipients for your team. Furthermore, the email templates for application, received, approval, and rejection are available under WooCommerce email settings, and all are fully customizable, allowing you to tailor communications to your brand. The registration form already includes built-in honeypot spam protection. For an additional layer of security, navigate to the Security tab and enable reCAPTCHA. You can select your preferred version, such as V2, and then paste in your site and secret keys obtained from Google. This ensures that only legitimate customers can complete the registration process. And that's Wholesale Lead Capture fully set up. Registration, approvals, emails, and spam protection all sorted. I'll link the full documentation below. Drop any questions in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.